What is up, everybody? How's it going? So before I get into this, comment down below what you're currently driving, and I hope you're not actually driving while commenting, because that just doesn't work. But like, what at the moment, whether it's your bike that you ride year round or primarily, or like, what do you have for 4 wheels? What's your car? If you didn't know, if you haven't seen, I will leave a little card up in the top right hand side there, that I drive a, well, obviously this, but like during the winter, rainy days and cold, whatever like that, my daily, my 4-wheel fun is, I have a 2018 WRX. I'm going to preface this right now. It is fully stock. It is just a daily. It is, again, for when it's cold, rainy, snow, shitty. That is what I drive. Because obviously if it's raining, freezing rain or whatever, snow up here, I'm not going to take this because it's stupid. It is bone stock. It is just, a people carrier. It's still manual and it's still turbo, but it's like, it is what it is. When I first got it, people that like know who I am were like, "Oh my god, it's quick, isn't it?" I was like, "No." Like, what do you mean, no? It's like, well, the bike makes 110 and weighs, what, 300-400 pounds maybe. The car makes 260 and weighs 2,600. Like, it's not fast. It might be comfortable and it might be like, semi-quick, especially when you're in boost, but whatever. Obviously, if you follow Subarus or that kind of, car, speaking of the Subaru right there, that Subaru's not making an STI anymore. Who knows what they're actually going to do with the, WRX kind of platform kind of thing. But Toyota has announced, what are they calling the GR Toyota, GR STI, whatever, Corolla STI, which personally I hope it kind of falls under the same thing as the FRS and the BRZ, where Toyota makes it, but it's still branded as a Subaru. And the question people keep asking, or I keep seeing, is like, are you going to buy one? And it's like, yes, it's more horsepower. I think it's like 300 or something, or supposed to have 300 horsepower. That's an all-wheel drive, little hatch, because it's a lot smaller than what the WRXs are, or were. I think it's kind of cool. Personally, I might actually consider buying one. Like, I've had my car now 4 years, so probably not the first gen, but like maybe a couple year or a year or two after that, like, sure. Depends on how much they are, really, because if it's smaller than like the WRX I have now, which means less space, it's really going to be even less practical than the WRXs are. But I don't necessarily buy things for practicality. Considering, one, the WRX is not exactly the most fuel efficient thing in the world, which is fine. It's not meant to be. Two, it doesn't have exactly the most room in the world, which again, fine. It doesn't have to have. And then, well, obviously a bike where there is no practicality on a bike. It is just fun. Granted, good gas mileage, but fun. But honestly, I would honestly consider buying one. I think they look pretty cool. If the the promotional pictures actually come out to what they are going to look like, or even maybe a little more aggressive, I think it'd be cool.